Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. We're going inshallah this week, Sunday the 4th of May, to Hyde Park. We've been trying to get to Hyde Park recently. I think it's when the marathon was on. Unfortunately, I rang up Royal Parks to ask them whether, Hyde Park Speakers Corner was on, but I was told that it was not on, so we decided not to go and we cancelled that trip. I think it was the first or the second week of April. However, we decided to go some of the other weeks, the third or the fourth week of April, but we couldn't actually make it because of some things that happened, which he wasn't able to come with us. So we've finally decided that we are going, inshallah, this Sunday, the 4th of May. A couple of points that I want to mention. People keep asking about new uploads. Unfortunately, we won't be able to actually put any new uploads on until we get to Hyde Park. So you've got to have some patience, brothers, because the only time we can get new uploads is when we get to Hyde Park, and unfortunately, because we're so far away from Hyde Park, it's very, very difficult with work and family and things that happen in the average everyday life that sort of sometimes deter us from going to Hyde Park. However, we finally decided that, inshallah, weather willing, God willing, that we're going this Sunday. Also, we've had some comments about the sound quality. The problem with that, again, is that sometimes I'm not able to sort of get the sound as crisp and sharp as we really want it, because at times Shabir gets into a conversation, I don't even know about it, and then I have to come in halfway sort of thing, and the sound is not always good, and it's very, very difficult when there's people milling around Shabir to get close and get a proper sound. But I try my best, and unfortunately sometimes my best isn't good enough, so just bear with us. As usual, we'll have our dawah stall. If there are anyone out there who wants to sort of come and help us on the dawah stall, that would be fantastic. You could do that and we'd appreciate that. As usual, we'll be there probably 11:30 inshallah AM in the morning, and then maybe we've got an hour or so if somebody wants to sort of talk to Shabir, ask him any questions you want to ask. Everybody's welcome, anybody's welcome. We should be finishing again the usual time, about 5 o'clock. So let's hope we have a good day, inshallah, on Sunday. Finally, if brothers and sisters and whoever's out there can sort of share this video with others so that a lot more people know that we are actually going this week, inshallah, to Hyde Park. Jazakallah khairan. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be with you.